Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Locks, formerly Charlie with Curls, but I have decided to start back up the YouTube channel because I got Sisterlocks. I got mine installed March 12th of 2019. So I'm coming up on a month now, and I did Bantu knots last night, and I have no clue on how it's gonna turn out. So I'm just gonna take them down on video and be surprised. I had 12 inches of hair. 12 inches of hair. And my install, I did not track the amount of time it took, but over the span of 4 days, I came back to my loctician's house and she installed my locks. But it took a pretty long while. I want to say over 24 hours. I have, oh that's cute, I have baby locks in the front. I am a mother and I am also pregnant again. But, so this hair was short. Postpartum, I lost a lot of hair. And so I have 4. That one's pretty small. I think that's 2. Yeah, there it is. This one stayed. So I got 4 locks on the side that want to stay. And then I just took off my scarf. That's why my hair is stuck to my head. So there's 1, 2, 3. I know it's 4 on each side. There's a little one. That one's stuck. There it is. Yeah, so I got it done in Texas. And I am now in California. The nearest loctician from me is 45 minutes away. There's one 45 minutes and there's one an hour away. And I actually need to contact them since I'm coming up on a month. I know I'm supposed to get it done every 6 weeks, but I need to check their schedule to make sure they'll be able to take me. So I need to do that. But I've washed it twice with the starter shampoo. I realized that I banded wrong when I washed my hair, and I banded it. I banded here and I twisted it, but I didn't band the bottom. So I did that wrong. And I need to find a way to keep my little baby locks in check while they grow long, because I know they will. I think I'm gonna create a new channel for my lock journey. Or I don't know, I might just change up my old channel. Not sure what I want to do. But yeah, this is me. I guess I expected the sides to be not very curly, but you know what? It's actually pretty cute. Pretty cute and curly. I've been wearing them straight since I washed my hair. So I guess I should show the bottom. I said the bottom, I meant the back. If I did it right. I haven't looked at the back yet, so actually I have a mirror. Perfect. Oh yeah. The back is pretty good. You can see my part right here. Cover that. Looks pretty good, I shall say. came out pretty well. For my first Bantu knots, I mean, you have Bantu knots when you first get them installed, but as far as like me doing my own Bantu knots, they came out pretty well. Normally, I usually part my hair this way and have my hair in my face, but I guess I'm trying to work on not doing that. I would like to kind of train my hair to go back now. After 9 years in the military, it's just, my hair has been through a lot, and so I got locks now. But I shall keep you up to date since it's so much easier now because I'm recording with my phone. Before, I used to record with a Canon T5i, and then I would have to make the time to plug it into my laptop and edit and all that. So I've decided that, you know what, I'm gonna simplify the process and I'm just gonna do it on my phone. And if it comes out crappy, it's fine. But yeah, this is my new journey, Sisterlocks. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And until next time, keep shining.